In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads into Monday.com. To get started, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're signed in, head over to your leads section. This is the area where your imported lead records will be added, so it's important to make sure you're in the correct board before moving forward. When you're inside the leads board, click on Import. This will open the Import tool, which allows you to bring lead data into Monday.com from an external file. The platform is designed to make this process fairly straightforward, but taking a moment to review each option carefully can help you avoid mistakes later. Next, browse for your lead file or simply drag and drop it into the upload area. Make sure the file you're importing is either an Excel file or a CSV file, since Monday.com only supports those file types for this process. If your data is stored in another format, convert it first before uploading. It also helps to make sure your spreadsheet is clean and organized, with clear column headers, because that will make the next step much easier. After the file uploads, you'll need to map your columns. This means matching each column from your spreadsheet, like company name, contact name, email, phone, or status, to the correct column in your Monday.com leads board. Column mapping is important because it tells Monday.com exactly where each piece of information should go. If something is mapped incorrectly, your imported records may end up disorganized, so take a few seconds to review everything before continuing. Once your columns are mapped correctly, click Continue. On the next screen, select Update Matches in this example. This option is useful when Monday.com detects records that may already exist. Instead of creating duplicates, it can update matching items with the new information from your file. This is especially helpful if you regularly refresh lead lists and want to keep your board accurate and up to date. After that, choose Lead. This tells Monday.com what kind of record you're importing, so the system knows how to categorize the incoming data. In this case, you want the imported entries to be treated as leads and added accordingly to your workflow. Finally, click Start Import. The system will begin processing your file and adding the leads to your board. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a little time, so be patient and wait for the import to fully finish before closing the page or making additional changes. Once it's complete, your leads should appear in Monday.com and be ready for review, assignment, or follow-up. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.